Everybody, it's Erica here, and I thought that I would share with you what I've been doing on my lunch break today. I've been really trying to add more art in on my lunch break because I get an hour, and that's a nice little time to carve out for myself. So, my sister's birthday was yesterday, and I am a little bit late on making her gift, but yeah, better late than never, right? So, what I'm doing is I'm working on making an art journal for her. Ignore my messy car, it's disgusting. But I am working on an art journal for her, and I'm taking this old book that I have that I never use, and what I did is I separated it every 3 pages. I put a little piece of copy paper in between every 3 pages because I'm going to be Mod Podging 3 pages together to make a nice thick page for her to do her art journal on. So on my lunch break today, I've been gluing together as many of these pages as I can, and I did get quite a bit done. I had some other things to do on my lunch break, so I didn't have a full hour to work on this, but I did get it done. Now, this paper, of course, is horrible for doing art on because, you know, it's not made for that. But I love taking books and turning them into art journals because you can add whatever you want. So you can start by gluing all these together to make a nice thick page, and then gesso it, and I will probably pre-gesso this before I give it to her, so she doesn't have to worry about that. But I'm really excited to see how it turns out. Every one of them looks different, and it's a nice way to just kind of use what you have and, you know, upcycle. And made gifts are always awesome. And my sister's very artistic, so that's why I wanted to get this done for her. So I'm going to be working on this for the next few days. I'm going to create a new cover for it, get all the pages gessoed, all that good stuff. And I really hope that she'll like it. So I'm going to give her this and some art supplies, and can't wait to see what she makes out of it. So, thanks for being here with me on my lunch break. It's been really fun trying to fit in extra art time, and it's been really awesome. So comment below if you've ever done this or if it's something that you're interested in doing. I will probably do a full video on something like this at some point if there is interest in it. I really, really love mixed media. I've always loved a collage, and I've just recently gotten back into doing mixed media, so that's been fun. But yeah, so do you ever do any art on your lunch break, or how do you fit in a little extra art time? Well, thanks for being here. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. You can click to check out another video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on the newest videos that come out. Please remember to comment below on what you'd like to see next. I want to hear from you because you guys help guide me on where to go.